In this video, we're going to talk about the abstraction in object-oriented programming. So basically, what is abstraction? It is to hide the data. It is to hide something that is irrelevant. Like for instance, we only discuss our office and work stuff with our colleagues. We only discuss our personal issues, personal matters with our families and friends. So we just do the abstraction in our daily life. In every single thing, we do the abstraction. Like right now, I'm teaching you guys while I'm hiding all the other irrelevant data and not letting you go through all the processes I do apart from this. So this is what abstraction is. In simple word, it is to present or take out something that is very relevant or related to the matter. So in our programming, we do the abstraction to minimize the complexity of the process, to do not present the irrelevant data or irrelevant code to our user or our developers. Let me give you another IT related example, like your cell phone. When you press any button or you press on a screen, you don't really know what exactly happened behind the scene. All you do for the calling, you press a button or click on a screen and the call go to the person who you want to call to, but you have no idea what exactly happened behind the process, how system generate the flow and everything. So this is what abstraction is. For the further explanation, let's dive into the example. So we will gonna take the same example from our previous video, animal, dog and cat. And here, as you can see, we have dog and cat, two classes, and they both are inherited from animal class. And you can notice here, both of the introduction have some common things, like we are presenting the name and we are presenting the age. So what we can do here is to reduce the complexity and not let other developer get more confused. We can hide this under the container of animal class. Well, you must be thinking, isn't it the same thing as encapsulation? Well, it sounds like the same thing, but there is a difference. The procedure, the reason is same. Both encapsulation and abstraction is used to hide the data, or you can say code, but the purposes are different. In encapsulation, we hide the data or the code to give the limited access. We do that for the security purpose. But here in abstraction, we hide the data or the code to reduce the complexity. So there is the different purposes for both things. So in PHP or in any programming language, we have a special class for abstraction, which we call abstract class. So to make any class an abstract class, we can simply add a keyword abstract. This will turn this simple class into an abstract class. Okay, so what is the difference between a common class and the abstract class? Well, for the starters, you cannot create the object of any abstract class. So like we created the dog object here, we created the cat object here, we cannot create the direct animal object. It will gonna give us the error because abstract class cannot be instantiated with any object. Second thing, abstract class can only be used with the extended inherited method, like we are doing here. Created the abstract class, which is the parent class. Now we can extend it with any child class, and that child class can be accessed using an object. So this is the abstract class. Now I will gonna come here and create one function, public function, and I will gonna name it common intro. Now what we can do, we can come over here, take this part, put it over here to reduce the complexity for all the other developers who will come later in our project and do the coding. They don't have to worry about this part because it is the common part and every child class will gonna have it. So we are just reducing the complexity by removing from here. Now this is the common part, and if we wanted to add some extra special part for all the child class, what we can do, in here we can say parent. Parent is a keyword again, just like this. Parent refer to the parent class object or parent class instance. So we say parent and then we will gonna call the function. Now after that we can say and I eat bones. this is for dog. I can copy this, paste it over here for the cat, and I can say I drink milk. Now this is the abstraction. We are hiding this part from all the child classes that are extended or inherited from our abstract class to minimize the complexity for the developers who will gonna work on this project. So after doing that, and if I remove this, we don't need it. And by the way, in previous video I made a mistake of calling it as a dog, which is supposed to be cat, but that doesn't make any difference. So if I save it here, come back here, refresh, so you can see now my name is Jeff and age is 2 and I eat bones. My name is Bella and age is 1 and I drink milk. So this is abstraction data hiding to reduce the complexity. We're gonna come in next video and learn more about object-oriented programming. If you have any question, let me know. Take care for now. Bye bye.